Hello and welcome. We continue learning with ArcGIS Online. In this class, we are going to upload some shapefiles to improve our web map. Let's import the layers to the platform using the new map viewer. But first, let's understand what a shapefile is. A shapefile is a popular geospatial vector data format developed by Esri. It is used to store the location, shape, and attributes of geographic features. Features can be represented as points, lines, or polygons. For example, points can represent cities, lines can represent roads, and polygons can represent administrative boundaries or land use areas. A shapefile is not actually a single file, but a collection of related files that work together. Because a shapefile consists of multiple files, we must compress them into a single zip file before uploading to ArcGIS Online. For our project, we have two shapefiles, one of communes and one of erosion. To begin, select the files from one of the shapefiles, right-click on them, choose WinRAR, and then select Add to Archive. Within WinRAR, you have the option to change the name. Let's rename it to communes. Make sure to select the zip format and then click on Accept to proceed. The same for the second layer and its files. In this case, let's name it erosion. Now let's open our map in Map Viewer. To add the files, we look at the dark toolbar on the left side and click on Add. A menu appears with several options, including Browse Layers, Add Layer from URL, Add Layer from File, Create Sketch Layer, Create Root Layer, and Add Media Layer. We select Add Layer from File. A window opens where we can drag the file or browse to locate it on our computer. Let's upload the first shapefile, the communes zip file. After selecting the file, the Add Layer window appears, asking us to choose the file type. We can see options for shapefile and file geodatabase. We select Shapefile and click Next. In the next screen, Map Viewer asks how the file will be added. It indicates that this file will be used to create a hosted feature layer. Here we need to provide a title for our layer, in this case, Communes. We can also select the folder where we want to save the item. Optionally, we can add tags to help organize our content and a summary to describe the layer. Once we have filled in the information, we click on Create and Add to Map. A loading screen appears showing Creating Layer. It takes a few seconds to process. The layer is now displayed on the map and we can see it listed in the Layers panel on the left side. We observe that ArcGIS Online already defines a default symbology that we will change later. Now we do the same for the second shapefile. We click on Add, select Add Layer from File, upload the erosion zip file, select Shapefile as the file type. Click Next, write the title Erosion, change the folder. We can use the course folder and click Create and Add to Map. After a few seconds, our second layer is also displayed on the map. Our files were uploaded successfully. To finish, let's save the changes made to our map. We go to the left panel and click on Save and Open. We click on Save to store our changes. We have learned in this class what shapefiles are, their main components, and how to import them using the new map viewer. See you in the next one.